Are you aware your vehicle may be equipped with the available terrain management system that enables you to adjust its driving dynamics to best match the type of road or trail conditions you're traveling over? Let me tell you about it. The Terrain Management System, or TMS, includes 4 driver-selectable modes that can be used with the shift-on-the-fly four-wheel drive system and automatically adjust the advanced track settings for the road conditions you encounter. Each TMS mode is programmed with unique settings for the ideal throttle response and transmission shift points. Here's how to use it. First, press the TM button in the middle of the rotary dial located on the center console. Pressing it multiple times allows you to choose between 4 different terrain modes at any time while driving. The mode you select will appear in the information display. There's Normal for regular city or highway driving, Grass, Gravel, Snow, which helps improve stability when traction is limited, Mud, Ruts, which provides maximum power to all 4 wheels, and finally, Sand, which allows the wheels to slip while going over soft ground. Keep in mind, you can only use the normal setting while in 2 high, while any of the other terrain management system's 3 modes can be used in 4 high or 4 low. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.